So welcome for today's class. So in today's class, let us discuss about this is for B.Ed-1, okay, first year, unit 1, growth and development of a child. Now I'm going to give you all the handwritten notes on meaning and difference between growth and development. Okay, this will be the part 1. So in today's topic, what I'm going to do is let us discuss only about the growth and development. Okay, in today's class, I'm only going to discuss about the growth and development. So this is unit 1, growth and development of a child. Okay, first we are going to deal with the meaning and difference of growth and development. Okay, so let us see the meaning and difference of growth and development. Now, you all can take down this. This is the growth and development. Now, what is the meaning of growth? Meaning of growth is nothing but progressive increase in the size of a child or parts of a child. Whereas development, okay, development, meaning of development is progressive acquisition of various skill or abilities. This is N, okay, TION. Acquisition it is. Next point is indicative under growth. For example, when we talk about progressive increase in size of a child or parts of a body means here we are talking about the body size, height and weight. Okay. Whereas development, it is not indicative. Whereas growth is indicative. Example, you can say body size and height and weight. Next, third point under growth is quantitative progress. Whereas development is a qualitative progress. Fourth point you all can take down, it is a physical change, whereas development, it is a psychological change. Physical change means body. Psychological change means mind, brain, inside, okay? When you are thinking something, it is known as psychological. So what about fifth point, external in nature, and development, it is internal in nature, and body is external in nature. Whereas growth, it will stop at certain age, whereas development, it is not about the body, it is about thinking process, and it is always continuous process. Okay, here when I say that it stop at certain age, for example, I can take a height of a person, it will stop at a certain age. Okay, next, it is a physical process. Growth is a physical process, progress. Okay, progress, and development is a cognitive process. Okay, and development is a cognitive process. So moving towards the next part. Okay, for better understanding, again there is two difference between growth and development, since we are discussing only about the growth and development. First point, it is not a lifelong process. Okay, when we talk about the growth, obviously a person will die, okay, at a particular this thing. Whereas development, it is a lifelong process. Okay, you're thinking. So first, second point under growth is growth means the change in physical aspects, whereas development means change in mental aspects. Okay, I hope you all can understand the notes. Okay, third point is growth is a quantitative, whereas development is a qualitative. Fourth point is growth denotes the height, weight and size. Okay, whereas development denotes the social, mental, physical and emotional changes. Fifth point under growth is growth has a general pattern for every person, whereas development does not have a definite pattern. Next point, sixth point, growth is not continuous, development is continuous. Okay, remember this. Seventh point is women have faster growth rate than men, whereas development is not gender biased. Okay, growth is a gender biased, right? Because women have faster growth rate than men, whereas development is not a gender biased. Both can think, right? Eighth point is health and food nutrition affect the mental growth, whereas development may or may not get affected by the lack of nutrition. Whereas growth can be visible to the eyes, development cannot be experienced through visuals. 10th point, let us see the last point. Okay, the 10th point is right over here. Growth is a specific term, whereas development is referred to all the aspects under an umbrella term, including growth. Okay, development comes under growth. Okay, but growth is not coming under development. Remember this. And moving towards the next, again, let me give you all something more in details. Okay, so again, for your better understanding, again, I am giving you all the difference between growth and development in easier way. Growth means what? It is mass, height, number, kind, position, color, then width, height, weight, and size. Okay, this comes under growth. Now, when we talk about the development, it is physical, mental, social, intellectual, moral, lingual, psychological, sexual, emotional changes. Right? So I hope you can see this clearly. Okay, so this is for your better understanding. I'm giving you like this way. It is mass. Growth is mass, height, number, kind, position, color, width, weight, size. Now these are the things which come under growth. Okay. Now this development, under development, what are the things you all are going to get? These are the things you all will get under development: physical, mental, social, intellectual, moral, lingual, psychological, sexual, emotional changes. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of today's concept of growth and development, the meaning of growth and development, and difference in growth and development. Okay, uh, the meaning and the difference between the growth and development. I hope you have understood. The next topic will be on principles of growth and development. That will be the next topic in the part 2 lecture we'll get. Okay, you all can just check in the playlist or in the description. I have given it to you all. If you all have any doubts, queries, you all can comment below.